Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome in YouTube channel Cloudy Malakand. In this video, we will share Saudi Riyal price rates. Today is 6th of September 2019, Friday. So let's get started. First of all, we will say about Injaz Bank rates that Injaz Bank give 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3690.40 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 47.20 rupee and for Philippine 13.75 peso. Fawri Bank gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3701.44 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 47.33 rupee and for Philippine 13.80 peso. ANB Telemoney gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3448.27 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 47.20 rupee and for Philippine 13.75 peso. Al-Rajhi Bank gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3703.70 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 47.55 rupee and for Philippine 13.72 peso. Express Money gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3703.70 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 47.55 rupee and for Philippine 13.72 peso. Western Union gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3736.27 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 47.54 rupee and for Philippine 13.80 peso. MoneyGram gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3728.44 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 47.21 rupee and for Philippine 13.73 peso. In the last, we will say about Riyadh Bank that Riyadh Bank gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3058.10 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 47.15 rupee and for Philippine 13.77 peso. These were the latest rates of Saudi Riyal for different countries. Please subscribe this channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.